So how about a ride to destination unknown?
All aboard!
I'm going on a big ride tomorrow and I don't know where I'm going. I think I know the direction I wanted to head from Sydney to Broken Hill. Probably ridiculous because I've only got 4 days, 1,200 kilometres. I had a grand plan that I thought I might try and punch that out in 1 day. Don't laugh. I think that that's completely unrealistic, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the road. I've got a certain amount of days. I'm going to head out towards that way and I'm going to go as far as I can. I love the country roads. It's my new passion. I love it.
Should be good to go. Let's get to Wagga. So first thoughts on this Clockworks 6.5-inch screen that I put on the bike. It's better than what it was. It's not perfect. Doing about 115. The wind buffeting is less. It's not long. It's better. I don't know what I expected. Maybe I expected 0. Can't say it's eradicated. It's supposed to give some more stability to the bike because of the side vents that pushes the air outwards. It's almost meant to act like a spoiler, stabilising the motorcycle by creating a downward force of air pressure as you're riding along. Worthwhile purchase. Wow, that's a pretty good number plate. Sydney.
I actually think that sheep's ass has been in more of my videos than anything actually. I think it's been in three different trips, that big Merino. Been a bit of a boring ride so far. It's all highway based. I was hoping to get off the highway here at Goulburn and cut inland to Griffith, but I'm actually a bit early, so I've actually got to go back to the highway. I'm just off the highway and head from here to, I don't know, somewhere past Yass.
Turned off the highway. I get it, it stops cows and stuff getting on the highway. No, it's actually alright to watch. That was close. Look at this. This would have been the old highway. So weird being on a really wide sort of highway, and I would have stopped here for about 15 minutes, flew the drone, little quick rest, not one car. So it's obviously not a used road, it's abandoned, but yeah, pretty amazing. I've just turned off the beaten track. Got off the highway. We're doing countryside now. So this is a little town called Binalong. I love it. Binalong, as in been a long time. Been a long time since I've been to Binalong. Actually, I've never been to Binalong. It's amazing all of that canola that's growing. And I only know that because I've become an experienced traveller from the Wild West series that I did, all the green hills, and then you just see this burst of yellow fields. They're literally fluorescent. Have a look at the contrast. This is Harden, H-A-R-D-E-N, Harden. Harden the f*** up. So Harden is the centre of the wheat growing capital of Australia, so that sign just said. So I've just stopped here in Harden because I felt like a coffee. But how's it for human nature? Beautiful people. I've just walked into Twin Towns Pizza and Kebabs in Harden, ordered a coffee, and he refused to take any money. What a beautiful man. Beautiful man. I mean, he doesn't need to do that, you know, just, I don't know, it's just, I'm shocked being from the city. Amazing, you come into a country town and you just, you know, these people, you know, I don't know this man or his family, people generally don't have a huge amount, and, you know, good people, right? Good people. Kind man. I'll find his name out. I don't want to embarrass him, obviously, and put him on camera, but what a gentleman, you know, seriously. If you're in Harden, Twin Towns Pizza and Kebabs, come here and have lunch. Thank you, George. In Harden, you're a legend. Now we're kicking on to Wagga. Telling me that I'll be there about 6. Got about 2 hours to go. It's just on 4 o'clock. Well, let's cruise. Made it into Cootamundra. It's Don Bradman's birthplace. One of the greatest Australian cricketers that ever lived. Knighted, Sir Donald Bradman.
It's the speed with which you score the runs that is a very important factor.
That's where we're going. Ilabo. Bye-bye, Alabo. Been a really big day in the saddle today. 525 Ks I've done. Yay, look where I am. Wagga Wagga. To find somewhere now to get some accommodation.
Lincoln Cottage Motel in Wagga. So cute. Lovely people. Tina at the front desk, thank you for being so lovely. Let's go and check out the room. There you go, what a great room. Very happy. Parking spot right out the front. So day 2, I'm going to practically run from the rain.
Well, if you're in Wagga, stay with these guys. Lincoln Cottage Motoring. Lovely family and fantastic motel. I was so impressed, and reasonably priced, and just good folk, good people. Let's head on, let's go get some breakfast. Find a cafe, and away we go. Let's check out this weather, look at it, yuck. Hopefully the sun will break through it. That's why I'm running from this, because I don't particularly want to get caught in bucketing down rain. I do have all of my wet weather gear, so I've been very organised. Well, thank you, Wagga, for a nice stay. I've never stayed in Wagga before. That was the first time. It was a lovely experience. Australia's largest inland town, Wagga. We're just going over the Murrumbidgee River. So pretty, our country. Trucks and trucks. Just hit 2,000 Ks on the street lights. Amazing, you just come around the corner and look at this lavender. Let's check it out from the side. This is Barmedman. I think I'm saying it right, Barmedman. Very cute place. Where we're heading off to, West Wyalong's our next stop. And that's how many bugs have hit my windscreen. Well, that's Barmedman. That was a nice little stop. Yeah, my name's Dean Jarman.